This tutorial will show you how to configure an account in Thunderbird to check email. Click the Tools menu. Select Account Settings. Click the Add Account button. Click the Next button. Enter your name. Enter your email address. Click the Next button. Enter the incoming server name. This is typically mail.domain.tld. Enter the outgoing server name. Typically, this is the same as the incoming server name. If Thunderbird was previously configured to send mail through a different SMTP server, this option will not be displayed. You will need to edit the existing SMTP server configuration to change the name of the outgoing server later in this tutorial. Click the Next button. Enter your incoming username. Thunderbird auto-populates this field based on what was entered in the email address field earlier. We will edit it, though, to make sure it is entered correctly. Click the Next button. Click the Next button. Click the Finish button. Select the server settings. Checking this checkbox will tell Thunderbird not to request that the server delete its copy of the messages once they're downloaded. This is useful when it is necessary to check the email from clients configured on multiple systems. However, it is recommended that messages on the server be removed manually through webmail periodically if this is enabled to avoid reaching the mailbox quota for the account on the server. Select Outgoing Server SMTP. Select the SMTP server. Click the Edit button. Here is where we would enter the new SMTP server name if there was one from a previous account configuration. The default port for the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP, is port 25. Many Internet service providers block this port at their network firewall. This is done as a security measure to prevent viruses like email worms and spam zombies from sending email from infected machines connecting to their network. For this reason, our server is running a second copy of the SMTP service that is listening for connections on port 26 as well, and we will be changing our outgoing port to use this one in order to connect to our server. Click the OK button. Click the OK button. Congratulations! You now know how to configure an account in Thunderbird to check email.